Welcome to our beginner's guide on how to start investing. Today, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of getting started with investing and help you lay the foundation for a successful investment journey. So let's dive in. Step 1. Set your financial goals. The first step in investing is to determine your financial goals. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve by investing? Is it saving for retirement, buying a house, or funding your child's education? Understanding your goals will help you make informed investment decisions. Step 2. Build an emergency fund. Before you start investing, it's crucial to have an emergency fund. Set aside 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a liquid and easily accessible account. This fund acts as a safety net, ensuring you can handle unexpected expenses without jeopardizing your investments. Step 3. Educate yourself. Investing can seem complex, but it's essential to educate yourself about different investment options, strategies, and risk management. Read books, follow reputable financial websites, and consider taking courses or attending workshops to enhance your investment knowledge. Step 4. Determine your risk tolerance. Your risk tolerance plays a significant role in shaping your investment strategy. Assess how comfortable you are with the possibility of losing money. Generally, younger investors with longer time horizons can afford to take more risks, while older individuals may prefer a more conservative approach. Step 5. Choose the right investment accounts. Decide on the type of investment accounts that align with your goals and risk tolerance. Common options include individual brokerage accounts, retirement accounts like 401(k), or IRAs, or education-specific accounts like 529 plans. Research the benefits and limitations of each account type. Step 6. Start with a simple and diversified portfolio. For beginners, it's advisable to start with a simple and diversified portfolio. Consider low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds (ETFs) that provide exposure to a broad range of assets. Diversification helps spread the risk and reduces the impact of any single investment's performance. Step 7. Regularly contribute and automate investments. Consistency is key to successful investing. Set up automatic contributions from your paycheck or bank account to your investment accounts. Regularly adding funds takes advantage of dollar cost averaging and helps you benefit from compounding over time. Step 8. Monitor and rebalance your portfolio. As you progress, regularly review and rebalance your portfolio. Revisit your asset allocation, ensuring it aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Rebalancing involves adjusting your investments to maintain the desired asset allocation mix. Step 9. Stay informed and adapt. Keep yourself updated on market trends, economic news, and any changes in your investment portfolio. Stay informed but avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Step 10. Seek professional advice if needed. If you feel overwhelmed or unsure about managing your investments, consider seeking professional advice from a certified financial planner or investment advisor. They can provide personalized guidance tailored to your specific situation and goals. I want to express my sincere appreciation to all of you for taking the time to finish this video, watch and engage with my content. Your support and feedback has been invaluable to me, and I'm grateful for the community we've built together. At the end of this video, I encourage you to connect and continue exploring the topics and ideas we discussed. Thank you again for being a part of this journey.